Ever wondered how to speed up your weight loss journey? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be breaking down the rules of weight loss into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Weight loss boils down to one key principle. You need to burn more calories than you consume. It's as simple as that. But how do you stay full while eating fewer calories? And how do you burn those extra calories? That's where protein and physical activity come in. Rule number 1. Include supplements in your diet. These should primarily contain calories from protein, rather than sugars or fats. Protein not only helps you feel fuller longer, but also aids in building lean muscle mass. And the more muscle mass you have, the more calories your body burns, even when at rest. Moving on to rule number 2. Choose a supplement that contains 100 to 150 calories or less per serving. If you're looking to cut down even more calories, consume it with water instead of milk. But remember, rule number 3 is crucial. Protein supplements are not meal replacements. You should not rely solely on protein shakes. Ensure you're eating a balanced diet with a good amount of protein, ideally 1.2 to 1.5 grams per kilogram of your body weight. Lastly, rule number 4. Incorporate strength training into your workout routine a few times per week. As mentioned, more muscle equals more calorie burn. Now, you might be wondering, should you opt for whey protein or plant protein? Well, if you're already enjoying whey protein without any digestive issues, there's no need to switch. However, if whey protein is causing you discomfort, you might want to consider plant protein. Ultimately, the best protein powder for you is the one you enjoy, meets your dietary needs, and contains 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving. So, to summarize, opt for supplements rich in protein. Choose those with low calorie content. Don't use protein shakes as meal replacements, and add strength training to your routine. And remember, the best protein powder is the one that fits your needs and preferences. Accelerating your weight loss journey doesn't have to be complicated. By following these simple rules, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals faster. So, why wait? Start today.